Okay, we've reached the end of another quarter. So what does that mean? It's time for the numbers. We're going to be looking at second quarter 2026. So that's April, May, and June. On a higher level, when you look at NOVA, Northern Virginia, in its entirety, it will show for second quarter versus first that prices all went up and that the time on market for the property went down. For sellers, that's fantastic news. For buyers, it can be a little bit hairy because that means they're paying more and have to rush to do it. But what I really want us to take a look at is by price bracket, because that tells a little bit more of a more complete, and especially if you look at it by county. So let's get into it because I think you may be surprised. First, let's start off with Arlington. We're going to be looking at price brackets from under 500,000. The second price bracket, the middle will be 501 to 999,000, and then the upper tier, the luxury market, of being $1 million to $2 million. So what you're going to hear me say is under 5, middle, and luxury, so that we can keep it moving. So in Arlington's case, the under 500 market actually saw prices lower. So for buyers, this is an opportunity for you because prices did go down a little bit in the under 500 market. Now, in the middle and the luxury market, that market stayed steady, as well as the prices have actually gone up. And in all three markets, in all three price brackets, I should say, the days on market did go down. Fairfax, your situation in all three of your areas, under 500, the middle market, and luxury, all of those prices went up and your days on market went down. So for sellers in Fairfax, keep in mind that you want to show your property well. And then for buyers, if you see the property that you want, to go for it because, again, it's not going to last. Let's move now to Loudoun County. Loudoun County, you in your middle of the market and your under 500 market, you actually showed that your prices went up. And again, as always, your days on market went down. But where you see it, so a little bit of a struggle, is your luxury market, over $1 million. You saw prices did go down, even though your days on market went down as well. So what is that telling us? It's telling us in that luxury market that the buyers there's an opportunity in the luxury market to get something a little bit under pricing. So take a look at the luxury market a little bit closer if that's where you are, because now it may be an opportunity for you. Prince William, you actually share the same type of scenario with Loudoun County, where your under 500,000 as well as your middle market have all went gangbusters for you guys in terms of your appreciation and price, and your days on market went down. So in those two areas, again, buyers, if you see it, you need to get in there, but roll up your sleeves and be prepared because it may be multiple contract situations for you. And as far as your luxury area for Prince William, your luxury, yours also went down in terms of price, but your days on market also went down. So just like Loudoun, this is a buyer's opportunity for your luxury buyers in Prince William County, so you may want to take advantage of that. I hope this information helped, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call, text, or email me because I'm always happy to help.